Welcome to the Outlets, where Amanda buys all the things.
Where are we?
We're at the character outlets, and I found already multiple things that I need and want. Including, but not limited to.
Oh, we'll get Rocket, yeah.
He is.
$8.99.
Did I get one for myself and for the giveaway?
Let's look around first. Oh my gosh.
I have to get it, right? Like, I have to get it.
Okay, there's an Alice. Does anybody else want an Alice?
She's $25.99.
That's expensive, but
No, it's not.
then throw it in there.
What about Rainbow Unicorn? I feel like I need Rainbow. Do I need Rainbow Unicorn?
No, we don't need a Rainbow Unicorn.
I'd rather have her.
You can buy like every Funko Pop, then buy Rainbow Unicorn. What about all the Funko
I'd
Pops?
rather have her than Rocket.
All the Funko. No, I'd rather have Rocket.
Okay, great. Welcome to the Outlets, where Amanda buys all the things.
Are we gonna have a basket big enough?
No.
Well, we're already halfway through the basket. Do you think you can fit into a dress, a kid's dress?
I mean, that could be a video all in itself of can Amanda fit into a kid's dress? I totally could.
I don't think so. Most underrated Disney movie ever.
100%.
Still more Rockets. We got Matthias. And we got Jana. I don't know how you pronounce it, but Ducky Bunny.
Ducky Bunny.
Is it one on one side, one on the other? That's awesome. Oh, look at this. It's a buildable Mickey.
Oh, that's cool.
That was very cool.
A nice fuzzy blanket for our cats to display.
Mmm.
Mike to be.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look, the mugs are already over here.
Yeah, what they have left of the mug.
That's crazy.
Used for under the seat.
Some Mickey plates back in the day. Sully. There's a Rex one over here too.
That's so cute. Yeah.
Right. But
Reminds me of the Arlo one.
yeah, that's what I was thinking of. Was Arlo, but Amanda found her shirt, guys. She found the Three Caballeros. It's for big fat people like me. It's for double X, I'll take one.
It might be. Sorry, only one X. It would have to be your goal shirt.
Yeah. I mean, I can wear it. Oh, Rescue Ranger's sweet.
That's actually really cool. It's that nice light material.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Get you a Figment. That's what you need.
Should I buy this? Can I pull it? That's the question.
Yes and yes.
That's the question.
Put on there. How much is it?
That's what I'm trying to do.
It doesn't really matter, but
It's funny. It's $20, but it's originally a $65
yeah, get it. There you go. You have to wear it though. I mean, it's kind of weird because it's going to be in the summertime. It's not really a
Like I had to get it in a medium.
a medium.
I think a small would be too small. Like I'm an oversized sweatshirt person.
Yeah, me too. You were supposed to buy a sweatshirt one size larger than what you wear normally anyways. That's the rule for me.
Well, I'm gonna hold on to this because it's the only medium that I see. So
Okay.
I'm gonna hold on to it.
Sounds good.
If I change my mind, I'll come put it back.
There you go. Ooh, Toy Story. The first one? Yeah.
Hey, do you remember when I saw this? On like our first trip back after the closing, and I was like, I need this. However, we're gonna need to come and have a conversation about this.
What?
I I just love a good dress shop dress. Like, it's not my size, but
I wouldn't wear them personally. But if you're so inclined. I don't get it. What's the theme of this one? Oh, this is all the dots from
Inside Out.
Inside Out.
That is so cute. And then in the back, every day is full of emotion. I love that. That's so cute.
That is a huge drop in price.
With a matching shirt, that's adorable. I would never wear the leggings.
I don't. Was this the same? I don't know. I'm already lost. Oh, okay. Rainbow unicorn. Hey, look.
Hold on, I'm still having a moment.
That's already gone.
Yeah.
So everybody just came in and stole, you bunch of hoarders.
Okay, so I love this.
Are you gonna wear it consistently enough? Or is it just gonna sit in your closet like your Mary Poppins one does?
Listen, that one's
That I bought you for like full price.
That one's really heavyweight. This one's a romper with a skirt.
All right.
That is
You have to wear it next time we go to the.
so deal. We can go and get a park pass now, and I will wear it to the park.
All right. It's not gonna happen today, but.
No, it's not. But
All right. How much is it? 20?
it's 36.
Oh.
Originally 130.
Okay. So how was your consultation?
They didn't pick up the phone.
The doctor didn't pick up?
Okay, so I think I want this more than I want the pigment sponge.
All right, then get that then. It's
I'm
fine.
gonna get that instead of the pigment sponge.
All right, we still haven't got.
I'm gonna have you hold that for a second. I'm gonna put this back like a decent human being.
We just go put there?
Yep.
Yes, still no. So there's one here, guys. I bet you in the last 5 minutes it's gone.
Yeah, it's 228 originally, it's down to 114 with half off. That's a good deal. But
Yeah, but who
if
wants a
you're-
little-
If you're a Kate Spade fan, then it's a good deal.
Best day ever. Oh look at this. Look, you get this here, fuzzy, and then you get fuzzy pants to go with it.
That's the
Or you
dream.
could just get this one here.
That's the dream.
Woo!
You would not be able to leave.
Yeah, your fanny pack.
I don't think
Ooh, not a fanny pack. It's a
neon belt.
neon belt bag.
I don't hate it, not gonna lie.
You would. You would like it.
I would indeed.
You had me at Walt Disney World. Yeah, R2-D2s, and then they got the big bag of the Millennium Falcon.
Banshee bag?
Hmm. Oh, they have a Small World one.
Yeah, I should put out the big ones. The big ones are only 149. I mean, I would pay the 149 for a bigger one before I'd pay 120 for a little one.
Yeah. I wouldn't pay for either of them, any of them,
Well, no,
because
neither would I, but like if I was gonna pay for one, I'd spend a little bit more money. Ooh, ink and paint pens.
that's cool.
$10.99.
Yeah.
I just traded and got this pen the other day.
You did indeed. You want a Gabby stuffed animal? It's a lovey, Daddy. It's a lovey. She didn't live very loving to me. It creeps me out. These are all the parks.
What in the world will we do today?
That's cool though. I like that.
$5.99.
Booster pin sets. Those are cool. Yeah.
$15.99. Half off.
Half price. Look at the
Glow in the
C-3PO one.
dark. Yep, that's getting put in the basket.
That's cool.
Well, we did it.
Yeah.
We went shopping. And we didn't spend as much as I think we were both anticipating.
No, it was less than what I was expecting, which was good. 'cause-
Yeah, I mean, I did put a couple of things back that I was like, I'd rather get this than that, so I put one back rather than being like, I need both, like I did at the Nike store with shoes. But we got a couple things for the giveaway, and we got some stuff for me and for our pop collection, and it was fun.
So if you guys like following along with us on our new adventures here, definitely click the like button and the subscribe button down here. You know, leave a comment below, let us know what you guys think, and if you
Yeah.
have any suggestions of other places we should explore.
Yeah, should we go to the other outlets on I-4? Because we haven't been there yet either, so maybe we should go there. Let us know if you want to see us go there.
Yeah.
So with that, we will see you on the next one. Bye.